So now the question arises how to start the dairy farming. This is also very important. So first and foremost, there is a need to decide the aims and objectives of the dairy farm. Every year, there should be a progressive aim for breeding of animals, maintenance and including the new animals for increase in milk production. So dairy farms to be set up for commercial purposes, the entrepreneur should visit and have discussion with experienced farm owners, analyze every event logically, and if needed, consult with local veterinary officers in the area where you want to open the dairy farming. Looking for opportunities to work for existing farm for minimum period of 6 months, developing good interest and explore the availability of inputs like feed and fodders, market in your region, and markets for milk and milk in different seasons also. So human is the most important factor responsible for success and failure of a business. Hardworking, reliable, and cooperative persons, preferably with some experience, should be chosen and can provide them some training for a specific this job. So visiting the cattle market occasionally, observing animals on sale, and talk with persons engaged with purchasing of animals is to be developed. Reading newspaper, magazine, and accessing latest information on websites with respect to latest advancements in dairy and dairy industry will be very useful. What are the basics of business venture? So what you have to do, like discussion with your friends, you can discuss with relatives, businessmen, industries, and persons associated in this trade. Dairy cooperatives are there, self-help groups you can form. So this way you can start the dairy farm. You can contact the technical consultancy cells of commercial banks, short listening of opportunities. You can analyze the strength, weakness, threat and opportunities of dairy sector. You can discuss these things with the experts of dairy farms if you have to become good entrepreneur for dairy business. And finalization of the selection of the product. So these are the things which are the required for the starting a new business. And others are what are the sources of raw materials, infrastructure facilities, size of the project, requirement and availability of skilled and unskilled manpower, total financial requirements, policy of the government you have to see, procedure adopted by the government to start enterprise, and other incentives, subsidies are also provided by the government under different schemes that also you have to see. What are the basic requirements for opening a dairy farm? You see that there are four major factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. So land is a very important factor because every activity is to be generated on the land. And labor is includes skilled and unskilled labor. Some labor can be provided from the family labor and some you can hire from the market. We can say the contractual labor and the daily wages laborers which are available in the villages and the urban areas also. And capital includes the investment on machinery, equipments, and animals. So for capital, for finance, you can contact the different banks. NABARD is there, and NABARD is also providing you the technical skills for development of dairy plans also. And the most important part of the factors of production is the entrepreneur. So entrepreneur development is to be come from the farmers who want to adopt the dairy business as a venture, as a enterprise. So there must be some entrepreneur characteristics in a person. So if we see that an entrepreneur is an individual who accepts financial risks and undertakes new financial ventures. So entrepreneurship development in the dairy sector will be a key driver for promoting and sustaining the momentum of growth and providing employment. So dairy entrepreneur should possess some qualities like creative thinking. So the entrepreneur should have ways to solve the problems, planning and research. The entrepreneur should know how and where to find information and how to use this new and latest information for his dairy business management and decision making. So what are the option and how to decide that which product is to be produced, how much product is to be produced, where the product is to be sold. So these are the decision making. And communication skill also be there with the entrepreneur. So the presentation of clarity and effectiveness in the communication, and both oral communication and writing communication should be good for a good entrepreneur. So the other is the team building spirit. The entrepreneur should know how to assemble, motivate, and empower an effective team for the development of a farm, a plant, or a industry. So other marketing is a very important part. You see that production is very easy, but the its marketing is very tough. So marketing qualities should be there in an entrepreneur. So how to sell and where the product is to be sold with the minimum cost of advertisement. And record keeping. So record should also be keep in a proper way for dairy farming and dairy processing business. And the other is goal setting. So the entrepreneur should know the medium, long term, and short term plannings and goals for the business. The other is overall business management. The entrepreneur should also know that the what is the delegation of responsibility and how to answer for the bottom line persons. And the other is organization. So how to set the priorities and how to organize and achieve them properly. So because entrepreneur is a person who take the risk, who club all the factors of production. So the failure and success of dairy farming, dairy processing, or any business depends upon the skill of the entrepreneur, interest of the entrepreneur. So what should be the qualities in an entrepreneur that we want to see that? So these qualities are, for example, commitment and determination, tolerance for risk and uncertainty. The entrepreneur should have self-confidence, and entrepreneur should be creative and flexible, and orientation to the future, willingness to learn from the failure, and leadership abilities, qualities, willingness to take risks, problem solving. So these are some of the qualities entrepreneur or in an enterprise. These are required. So there are different training facilities also for development of entrepreneurs. For example, agricultural veterinary universities of various states are also providing trainings on the entrepreneurship development. Also, Krishi Vigyan Kendras are there, State Department of Animal Husbandry are there, State Institute of Rural Development are there. So National Dairy Research Institute Karnal is one of the leading institute which is providing all types of training for dairy products, dairy farming, and entrepreneurship development. So there are regular classes. If you want to contact, the dairy farming is always ahead to listen you and want to help you and cooperation in all respect.